today I want to fix the D3 DX939 error that comes when you open League of Legends. Let's fix it. So the first thing you want to do is open the link I have in my description. It will open this site. I know you might have downloaded the file from other sites, but this is the only site that works. I tried many sites, never worked. This will work. So open this site. I'm sorry, it's in Arabic. You wanna go under this picture and press in this blue text and download it. I already have it downloaded, so let me get it. So there you go. So when you have it, you wanna extract the files anywhere. I already have it in E, so extract it. And second of all, you wanna open another Windows Explorer and go to C, Windows, and over here. So are you 32-bit or 64-bit? If you want to know, go to this PC, properties, and check. I am 64-bit, so you want to copy this file, copy, and put it in the system wow64. I already have it, so I'm not gonna put it. Second of all, go to League of Legends and open file location and put in this file. I of course already have it, so I'm not gonna put it. Third of all, yes, you have to do three things. You press on your keyboard Windows R and then type out this this text. So basically it reads regsvr32 space d3 dx9 underscore 39.dll. Press it and it will do what it's gonna do, and that's gonna be it. So now when you open the game, it will give you this text. One second, let's load. It will give you this text. Don't worry, this is good. So what you want to do is go back to where you have the game and open the client and then open the game. Just like that. I already have it open. I played and yeah, that's all it has to. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will catch you on a future video. Just please subscribe, and see ya.